Hello, Carpedians. I'm your English teacher, Miss Payal. I hope you all are doing well and paying full concentration towards your studies. So let's talk about the today's topic. It's nouns. We are going to start with the first grammar chapter, nouns. A noun is a word that is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. There are basically five types of nouns: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, concrete noun, and abstract noun. Common nouns are used to name a general type of person, place, or thing, or to a particular class of things, for example, girl, city, animal, friend, house, etc. Whereas proper nouns are the names of specific person, place, or thing, and they start with a capital letter and they don't have any article such as a and the before them. Like the Chennai, the Sita is wrong. We should say Chennai, Sita, London, John, Monday, France, etc. Then we come on to the next category, that is collective noun. Collective nouns are the words that refer to a set or group of people, animal, or things. For example, staff, team, crew, herd, flock, bunch, etc. So, all these are the examples of collective nouns. Then comes the concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are the nouns which refer to people and things that exist physically and that at least one of the senses can detect, can be seen, felt, heard, smelt, or tasted. For example, dog, tree, apple, moon, coin, ball, water, etc. These are the nouns which can be seen or smelt or tasted. Next comes abstract nouns. These are the nouns that have no physical existence, means that they cannot be seen, heard, touched, or smelt, etc. Rather, they are basically emotions or concepts. So you cannot see, touch, hear, or smell them, right? For example, love, time, happiness, bravery, creativity, justice, freedom, etc. All these are the examples of abstract nouns. Then these nouns are mainly of two categories: countable and uncountable. Countable are the nouns that can be counted, they have a singular and plural form, and can be used with a number. For example, car, desk, top, house, bike, eye, butterfly, etc. Whereas uncountable nouns are the nouns which cannot be counted. Substances such as paper, wood, plastic, liquids such as milk, oil, juice, gases such as air, oxygen, abstract ideas such as happiness, information, water, coffee, cheese, sand, furniture, type of materials, all these fall in the category of uncountable nouns. Then there is another type of noun, that is compound nouns, which are formed by joining two or more words. They can be joined to form a single word, such as haircut. They can be joined by a hyphen, such as son in law, or two separate words, such as bus stop, railway station, etc. So these are the main basic categories of nouns. There are a few exercises based on these nouns. You have to cover them up, you have to write them in your notebooks neatly. Hope you do well. This is all for today. Thank you so much.